always start, it's kind of this tedious process, and I think you've seen parts of it before, but I always start with going through the problem and not even being, blocking out the numbers. So they're just analyzing what's the situation. And so they always put their answers there. And they're getting better at that. They used to be really afraid of it. They're like, well, I don't see a number, but they're getting, I want to know what's going on. I'll try to pull in ELA terms as well, like what's the plot, who are the characters, what's the scene, all that kind of stuff, just to help them see that it's just the story, guys. It's the situation. Let's talk about it. Then after that, with in chat, I'll have them identify what operation they think is involved in the problem. And then we always make a prediction about what's happening to the answer. Is this number growing? Is it larger? What's going on with it? And that's always through polling that we do that. And then we move on to the next page where they get to finally see the numbers. And then I ask for maybe 2 or 3 to come to the board and try to draw a model, which we're still really working through the idea of drawing models. And I want to see a visual image, and the expectation and what I've been trying to coach them through is I need to see a model that I can predict what the question is. I can predict what's being asked in the problem just by looking at the drawing, and I'll cover up the words to the problem when they get it all drawn, and I'll try to talk through what their model is saying to me and what their model is asking me to find. So we do that, and then they actually get to do the math, and I do that in polling so I can see everybody, where everybody is coming in on the calculation, and I always hide the polling so they can't see each other's polling, because I want to get a feel for where they are with just that computation. And then after that, I asked for a couple people to come and show how they did the computation. And hopefully there's a couple different variations on how we would actually